you want to kill yourself. It is almost 2 years now. And you have dedicated every day in the last 2 years shedding tears.
She is my only daughter. I blame myself each day for not standing by her. We condemned her like a scourge and hauled her away as if we have many of them here. Now, we don't know where she is. Our only daughter. And you want me to be happy?
We did what we did because we wanted her to understand that she was wrong, so that she can be corrected.
It was more than correction. Yes. We were not in her mind to interpret our actions to her. She misinterpreted us and misunderstood us. All I have to do now is choke myself with blame. Blaming myself every day. Because my only daughter, our only daughter, is nowhere to be found. We don't even know her whereabouts. All thanks to us.
She'll come back. Someday she will.
I hope she does. I just pray to God that nothing bad has happened to my daughter.
Nothing will happen to her. You just keep praying for her, okay? She'll be fine. Where are you coming from? You alright? Honey? Honey? Yeah. Come.
Oh my God. My daughter. Sonia, welcome. Welcome home. Where have you been? Oh my God. Good to see you. Welcome. Hey.
Where are you?
Oh God, thank you. Thank you.
There's something wrong somewhere. How can she hate men so much? And this thing is getting out of hands. Is she broken? Why there's so much hatred? Is there something behind it? Unfaded memories of heartbreak. I'm just guessing, but something must have triggered this hate. Her hatred for men is something else, or maybe something is going on. It may be wounds from the past or something else, or something must be wrong somewhere. The hate is something else. She's like a wounded lion. Her hatred for men is something else.
You're welcome to my humble abode. So what do I owe this visit?
Thank you, Chief. Chief, my people said when a visitor comes to your house with a cake of palm wine, either he is there to thank you for what you have done for him, or he is there to ask you for a favor.
That's some wise saying. But I can't see the keg of palm wine.
Chief, you know, this new generation, they have destroyed all the cake of palm wine. But we are here with a bottle of wine. Iji mee ka okwu anyị ka o nwee isi.
Hey! I can't remember doing you any favor. So, what have you come to seek?
Chief, don't worry. Michael, I have watered the ground. You can now speak for yourself.
Thank you, my uncle. Chief and Ma. Like my uncle here has spoken, there's a beautiful girl I met. And I happened to fall in love with this particular girl. And this girl happens to be your daughter. And I'm here to seek for her hand in marriage. That is why we are here.
Well, you're welcome here, young man.
Thank you, sir.
What's your name?
My name is Michael.
Michael. And so what's the name of this girl you seek from my home?
Her name is Sonia.
Oh. Yeah, Sonia.
Yeah.
Yes, our people also say that when an adult wants to show a little boy a frog on the stone, that adult must point specifically to that frog. That's the reason why I have sent for her.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
My dear.
Hi, Mom.
Some people are here to see you.
Some people, I'm not expecting anyone. Just tell them to go back to wherever they're coming from.
There is this young guy and his uncle. He said he wants to marry you. I want you to come downstairs and see them. Even if you don't want to marry him, just tell him that he should give you some time to think about it or even pray over it. I beg of you, do not embarrass them, please.
No, Mother, did I just hear you say that? This man came to ask for my hand in marriage. Like he wants to marry me.
That's what the young man said. And it's time you need to consider getting married. You are no longer getting any younger.
Okay. I will come down and see them.
Please, don't keep them waiting.
I won't.
Okay. She will soon join us. She's coming.
And who is that urchin? Are you the nitwit? The nincompoop, the empty vessel? You are the decomposed element that says he wants to marry you. I don't understand. What's bringing that? No, when did that even start in the first place? Is it that you no longer know your category, your levels? Do we look at me? Are you even crazy? Have you lost it? Why would you think I will end up my life with a decomposed element like you? A biometrics? Are you crazy?
Sonia, why are you sounding this way? I love you so much. I don't want to be friends with you. I mean well for you, that's why we are here.
Are you crazy?
I want to marry you.
You want to marry who? Have you lost it? No. Sincerely, at this point, I think you think we're actually joking, because what in the fragments of Hollywood will make you think that I'm going to end up with? You know what? Before I count up to 3, make sure you have left this place. 1.
Sonia, what has come over you?
2.
Please don't do this. Sonia.
Why are you doing this?
Let's go. Let's go.
Hey, Mr. Badhead! Hey, come back here! Come back here with your bad head and take this drink! I said to you, come back here! Sonia! Come back here! Sonia! Sonia, come back here! What is the meaning of this?
This is girl.
You want to let me insult me like that? I will not.
Come back!
So, you want to be like me?
Come back here! Come back here! No, are you crazy? Are you mad? Mother, don't Sonia me!
Why are you doing this?
Why am I doing what? Why would that bombastic element, that degraded idiot, think that he can have the guts to come and marry me as what? And we have the same class or category? What's bringing that?
Sonia, you need a man in your life.
Mother, I need no man in my life. I don't need any man, and it's as simple as that.
What is the meaning of this? No, tell me what is the meaning of this?
Father, the meaning is the meaning. What's simple? I don't need any man.
Now get inside.
I will get inside, Father, but please don't tell that lunatic never to come to this house again. Because I will personally freak into the ocean to be chilling with the sharks. Hey! Nonsense! Fucking back.
How are we going to cope with this? Hey! Sonia.
My man, that girl chased me and my uncle away. It took the grace of God for us to escape there alive.
I've told you to stay away from that girl.
I can't stay away from this girl. You know I love her so much. Bro, you know this.
You know, that girl put some kind of character that is not just okay with me. You know, since she took over from her father, since she entered that office, she has turned everywhere into a war zone. I'm telling you honestly. She sacks people at the slightest mistake. More especially, she sacked only men.
What did the men even do to this girl? What did she have against men? Why is she like this?
My brother, I've warned you, stay away from that girl. If you finally end up marrying that girl, you might not live with her.
From what she portrayed in her house, my uncle would not even want me going back there. Yes. It took us like the grace of God to even live there alive. I'm not joking. No. So why would my uncle want to even take me back there again? He wouldn't even accept.
I can imagine the race.
My brother, if you serious.
I can imagine the race.
If you serious. Hey.
Anyway, it's not funny. Just stay away from that girl.
Good morning, ma.
Yeah, good morning. Tell Johnson to meet me in my office.
Good morning, ma'am.
Why didn't you submit the documents for yesterday's transactions? I didn't see it.
You were gone by then, ma'am.
Obviously, I'm not a ghost. I don't deal with spirits. The question is, or rather was, why didn't you submit it in the morning? That's what I'm asking you.
Madam, honestly, I've been very busy since morning. As a matter of fact, I even had to go and supervise a supply for a proper accountability. And I think that's more important to us right now.
I beg your pardon? No, excuse you. You want to tell me what is more important in my father's company and what is not? Who the hell are you? No, from where were you created? From the moon? Jupiter? Who makes the rules in this company? You or me?
Madam, sometimes before you assume this office, we keep transaction record for days. Like for days, even before presenting them. We are only queried if the transactions are not properly accounted for.
You know what? Your services are no longer needed in this company. You're fired.
Now, what did I do wrong?
Excuse you? Since you have vehemently refused to take my rules, my new rules on this company, I wouldn't be needing your services anymore. Please shut the door right behind you. Get out! Idiot. You're working in my father's company and yet you've exhausted all the holes in your belt. Let me see how you cope without my money this time around. Asshole.
There's something wrong somewhere. How can she hate men so much? And this thing is getting out of hands. Is she broken? Why there's so much hatred? Is there something behind it? Unfaded memories of heartbreak. I'm just guessing, but something must have triggered this hate. Her hatred for men is something else, or maybe something is going on.
Man, what is it? You don't look good at all.
Sir, I'm not happy. Sir, I'm not happy.
Why?
Can you imagine that lunatic sacked me? For no just reason, she relieved me of my duties.
What did she say that is your offense?
Sir, just because I did not submit my yesterday's transaction document first thing this morning, and she sacked me.
No, now. Didn't you tell her that we used to have that up to 2 weeks before submission?
I told her. This was exactly what I told her, and she sacked me.
No, this is not possible. She can't sack you. It's okay. Let me get to the office. I'll see you. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you? I need to see madam.
Please, sir, don't go in there now.
Why?
Don't go, please. I'm begging you. Don't
No,
just...
for what?
Please, don't go.
I want to know why she got Johnson sacked.
Johnson is the third person she sacked today. I don't want her to sack you, please.
You don't want her to sack me?
Please,
Yeah, who cares?
Please.
If she wants, she can go ahead and sack me.
Please don't go.
Excuse me.
Mr. Nelson, please.
Hello, ma'am. Please, I learned that 3 persons have been sacked from this company, and I wish to know why. What's going on?
Have you lost it? No, have you got a prosec? I don't understand. Oh, my bad. My superior, right? Both in spirit.
I'm sorry. The truth is that I'm a senior staff in this company and I need to know what's going on. Johnson just got sacked and he's also a senior staff in this company. So sacking him is a bit harsh. I don't know. What's going on? If you don't mind, can you tell me, please?
Leave my office.
Huh?
I said leave my office. Anis, the next time you walk into my office with this oversized green coat of yours to come and query me on things or the affairs of this company, I will personally feed your carcass to the vultures. Stink out. Use the door.
Okay.
Taki waki.
She's just out of her mind.
I hope she didn't sack you.
No, she did not sack me, but if she cares to sack me, no problem. But I don't just like her own professionalism towards the affairs of this company. I don't just like it.
Please, you have to manage her. You know if she sacks you, we have to go through a lot in this company. Please, manage her.
Anyway, I'll continue to do my best in this company. I'll continue to do whatever I have to do for this company. But if she cares to sack me, so be it.
There's something wrong somewhere. Hey. How can she hate men so much? And this thing is getting out of hands. Is she broken? Hey. Why there's so much hatred? Is there something behind it?
Hey, open the gate for me. Open the gate, my friend.
But something must have triggered this hate. Her hatred for men is something else. Or maybe something is going on. It may be wounds from the past or something else. Or something must be wrong somewhere. The hate is something else. She's like a wounded lion. Her hatred for men is something else. Or maybe something is going on.
What happen for here now? Why everybody just they come out, they frown face like say, I hope say, waiting will be the problem. Anything where it be, make you know even near this gate oh. Now why me I like as I dey for this gate because if anything just stop, nah, I don't disappear. Yeah, I no get strength. Oh.
Are you still talking to me? Are you talking to me? Are you mad? Are you stupid? I will kill you today. Are you mad? Are you mad? Are you mad? Stupid girl. Useless girl. Don't you talk to me again. Are you mad? Are you foolish? Are you mad? Stupid girl. I will wound you. I will kill you. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Good day, Mom. Mom, good day. Thank you. Welcome. Mom, are you okay? You don't look good. Is there any problem?
I don't know what is wrong with your friend. She locked herself inside since yesterday and has refused to talk to anyone.
I have been calling her numbers, but she's not picking up. I don't know what's going on with her.
Mom, did you two have any quarrel?
Quarrel?
Yes, Mom.
A guy came here yesterday asking for her hand in marriage. She refused vehemently and chased the man away. Please, you two should talk to her She listens to no one except both of you.
Mom, Sonia listens to no one actually. But I'll try. I'll still talk to her.
Yes, Mom. We'll go and talk to her. She's our friend. We can't throw her away. Where is she? Is she inside?
Please, you better talk to her. She's in her room.
Okay, Mom.
Okay, Mom. Let's just see her.
Yeah.
Have I not told you? Have I not told you countless times to allow me pack my things and go back to my father's house? But this wicked man here will not allow me to go. Yet he will not treat me right.
Why will you go back to your father's house?
Why will I not go back to my
Why
father's
will
house?
you?
Give me one reason I
Let me tell you. Because marriage is for better or for worse.
I did not sign for this type of worse.
You did not.
I did not.
Look at who is talking.
I did not.
Look at what is talking to
Shameless
me.
man.
When the going was better, when I was giving you money, why did you not go back to
That
your
is
house?
because you are behaving like a human being.
Then you will go
Now
nowhere.
you are supposed to live in
You
your
will
house.
go nowhere.
You are a shameless
You will
man.
go nowhere. You will go nowhere.
Yeah, shameless man.
Stupid
A man who
idiot.
beats his wife.
Enough.
He fell on the floor. What
Hey,
is it?
you are an idiot.
You are an idiot.
And I will discipline you.
It's okay.
You?
Me?
It's okay.
If I don't kill you,
Only to you. I will bury you. Shut up. Hey. Only to you.
I am your doom.
Shut up. Oh, can you see? Can you see?
Have you seen a man back to his wife? Shameless man. Neighbors, come and see him. The man that beats his wife, what is he?
Shut up.
Shameless man. You are mad.
What is the meaning of all this
That
thing?
is because I am dealing with a shameless, foolish idiot.
Wait! You have always told me to emulate your wife and yourself. You both don't fight.
Okay, coming from the fellow man, yes?
Will you shut up?
I will not.
Allow me to talk.
And if I don't,
Allow me to talk to my
what will
friend.
you do?
Allow me to talk to my friend.
Your friend is a man.
Do you know why I
are a
am
flame.
doing this? Hey. And do you know why your home is better? Because you married a woman.
And I married an
Why?
animal.
What did I marry?
I am married to an animal.
I married a pig.
I am married to an
A
animal.
dead pig.
Wow.
What is
your meaning of this?
bastard? What is the meaning of
deadly?
It's okay.
Me.
It's okay.
You said
You. I will bury you.
It's okay. Before you bury me, I will kill you. If I don't kill you, I am your doom.
You. It's okay.
Me.
Come and try it.
Why will you talk like that?
Come.
You tried me out. You tried to talk to me.
What is
You said you
what is the meaning of this thing?
Come here.
What is the meaning of this thing? Enough! Every time when I come here, you people will be fighting and falling on the ground like a wapusu. Like a cat and rat. You'll be falling on the ground like Utobo. Who is doing this thing? Emeremi ojo maronye ibu. Chinoso. Emeremi ojo maronye ibu. Emeremi ojo we maronye ibu. Why are you people always dragging my leg outside? Look at the way you people are fighting like a cat and rat. You people are falling on the ground like Utobo.
I regret marrying you, Chukwudonso. If there is one mistake I've made in my entire life, it's getting married to you.
Ekusina, Inancha.
This idiot
He has a
who
wife.
beat me and dragged me
Listen
on the
to me.
floor.
He has a wife. I
You
have
see
an
you?
idiot.
I will
I
share
have
you.
The problem is
No,
that you are serious.
I will deal with you. Now I am the one that
If I
married
don't marry
a
an
foolish man.
idiot, I will never be here with
What
you.
am I even
No,
doing?
no.
I am going
Useless
inside.
woman.
Ebuka, in fact, I'm going to.
Hey! You are going nowhere. You will go nowhere. You will go nowhere. You are my wife and you will be. Hey! Go back. Go back. Idiot. I will slap you.
My brother, I am so happy to see you after 15 years.
I'm so happy to see you too, my brother. Look at you, you're now a big man. Oh.
And you too. I better recognize you.
Yeah, are you serious? I hardly forget people. Even if I haven't seen you for 20 years, I still have your picture stuck in my head.
Depending on the kind of business you're doing, the nature of my business will see different faces every day, so we hardly mark a face.
That's true. I heard you now handle your father's company. Eh? You're like a big man. See my guy, you. Eh? God.
Yes, we have a new branch over there in Onitsha. And you know it's busier over there in Onitsha. So my father had to transfer me there. Now made my sister in charge of the head office.
Wow, that is nice. Congratulations, my man.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm so proud of you. You are doing really well for yourself, my man.
Thank you.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
And also, I saw your sister. I guess she didn't recognize me anymore. She just ignored me. I was even surprised.
I think she did. But now she's a changed person.
Changed person? I don't understand. What do you mean?
My sister is the changed person.
Oh, God. Okay.
Yeah. I hate men so much. I like what Sona did to that idiot. I don't like what you are saying. Are you not a woman? What are you even talking about?
Yes, I know that men are bad, but no man deserves to be treated like a plague.
No, it's women who deserve to be molested. That's what you're trying to tell me, right? You see that animal? He deserves what he got. Rubbish.
What if he dies?
Who cares? Oh, do I look like I care? For me, any man who crosses my path will see hell. I'm not even joking.
Wait. I'm still trying to understand why you and Sonia hate men this much.
Try harder.
No, what's going on? You gave it to another, they tell me. Eh? Why do you people hate men so much?
I just pray he dies. So it will serve as an eye-opener to others. I pray he dies.
You've lost it. You've really lost it. I can't believe you're saying this. You were there. A woman hit a man with a bottle. And you're saying this? Where is your conscience? What is going on with you? What is eating you
The only
up?
reason she used the bottle is because a gun was not close. I wish we had a gun close. I would have passed it over to her.
Oh my God. Just I'm living with the devil.
Okay. You just realized?
Oh my God.
How dare you? Sonia, how dare you use a bottle on a human? And how did you develop such acrimony? Where did it come from?
Why is nobody asking me what this guy did to me in the first place? Why is nobody asking me? Like I just woke up and whacked the bottle on his head or something? Why would he touch my butt? He touched my butt.
I'm aware of that.
So why would he do that?
And that is bad enough. But that is not enough for you to end his life.
No, father, that is very bad. That's a jokery-pokery attitude. He has no right to touch my butt.
By the way, what took you to the bar in the first place?
Mother, for goodness sake, I'm an adult. A full one of that.
I trained you to be a decent girl. As a matter of fact, you are one of the most decent girls in this city. What happened? What came over you? Why are you doing this now?
Now listen to me. Just pray that nothing happens to him. Pray very well, because if anything happens to that boy, trust me, I will not intervene. I will not.
I'll be in my room.
Because this girl is getting out of hand. She's getting out of hand. The sooner we hold her well, the better for us.
Honey, I think our daughter needs deliverance. It's getting out of hand.
Who be that?
Good day.
Good day. How may I help you?
I'm here to see Chief.
You are here to see Chief. Did you have any appointment with Chief?
Oh, just tell him I'm his late friend's son, Chief Benjamin.
Stay here. Don't cross this line.
Okay, no problem.
Make sure, say you don't cross. Let me go and inform him.
Thank you very much.
You say you should come and see. You should come inside.
Okay, is Sonia around?
Wait, let me understand something. Is this Sonia that you're looking for? Or you are here to see Chief? Eh? Which one are you here to do? I understand. You're a guy, man. You are a guy. Talk to me. So, what do you want to tell Sonia? What is it that you want to tell her?
What is wrong with you?
Huh?
Well, I don't have time for this nonsense. I'm here to see Chief.
Look at him. Look at him. See, let me tell you. The other person, they broke his head. Your own, they will use machete and cut off your neck.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
You're looking so good.
You're welcome.
Thank you, man.
How is your mom and your siblings? How are they doing?
They are all fine, ma. They are doing well.
We haven't been seeing you since you buried your father.
Yes, sir. I traveled to the UK to continue my education.
Oh, that's wonderful.
That's great.
Yes, I like that. I like that. Nice one.
Thank you, sir. Oh, good. And, sir, I saw Tony the other day and we spent time together. We had a good time together. But I tried talking to Sonia, but I guess she didn't recognize me anymore.
Did she talk to you?
No, I actually tried talking to her, but she snubbed me. I was even surprised.
It's okay, dear. Sonia is no longer the person you used to know. A lot has changed about her. The difficult thing is that I don't even know what has gone wrong, what caused the problem.
I don't understand, Ma. Is she sick or something?
No, she is fine. Just that she doesn't like talking to men.
She does not like talking to men.
Maybe she, I don't know. She just doesn't like to associate with men.
That's a bit strange, sir. But anyways, I would like to meet her again.
Okay. I know she will come around someday. Just, yes, she'll be fine.
Alright, I understand.
I want us to talk.
But I'm reading a very interesting novel. Maybe some other time.
I will not take much of your time.
More years.
My dear, you have been acting like someone who has a deep pain in her heart. You've been acting like someone on a revenge mission. On behalf of your father and I want to use this opportunity to beg you to forgive us in any way we have wronged you or any other person that has wronged you, please find a place in your heart and forgive us. I want you to turn a new leaf. I want you to be just your attitude to life. It makes us feel or have
Hello, beautiful. How are you?
How may I help you?
I must say you're looking so charming and so beautiful.
You want to have me?
Whoa, that's so direct. But I wouldn't mind. Having you wouldn't be a bad idea. What do you say?
Let's go.
Let's go. Like, let's go.
My house.
Whoa, your house. Don't you think a hotel would be better?
Can you go back to your seat? Because you're not ready.
Oh, easy. I'm ready. I'm down to earth. Let's go.
Hey.
Good morning.
Yeah, Sonia. Excuse me. I'm expecting some customers from Benway, and I need you to give them some preferential treatments.
I beg your pardon?
They have been our customers for years. They are more or less, family friends now. So that's why I said you should know about it.
With all due respect, Father, I have been running this company without your group of friends, and I will continue to do that. If there's anyone who needs a professional treatment, someone who needs a pat at the back, or probably a peck on the forehead, the person should try and get it somewhere else, not close to my father's company. I do not run a charity organization. So please, if you do not mind, I'm off to work. Do have a nice day.
This is the scariest girl I have ever seen in my life. Eh? What do we call this?
She's so good in her job, but I wonder how she has been able to get the customers that she has.
Her customers are mostly women. Sonia detests men with passion. I fear she might not get married if she continues this way.
I may have to redirect my baby customers to Onitsha branch. There, I'm sure, Tony should be able to take good care of them.
My worst fear is let her not sack Nelson. He is the bedrock of that company for years.
Get out! Take it easy. Stop! Get out! Let me get dressed first now.
Next step. Take another step.
Let me get dressed first.
You're making noise. You want me to call the security on you? Get out!
What's wrong with you?
Get out!
Is this how you behave?
Are you mad? Go out! Is this your house?
It's unfair now. Allow me to dress up properly.
Fine, go out. Go out.
Is this how you treat men? I can't believe this. After what we had last night.
And one last thing.
You don't know me. I don't know you. If you see me anywhere in the world, look away. Get out.
After all we had last night. You're very mean.
Does this look like your house? Do you want me to call the security on you? Get out.
Bitch. Get me my shoes. Let me get out of here.
Oh, you even left your shoes.
You
Shameless
bitch.
goat.
Bitch. Heartless bitch. You're very cold-hearted. This girl is a bitch.
Carry your smelling shoes and smell out.
You're a bitch.
Get out.
Nonsense.
1. Get out!
Get out, you! Nonsense.
Maury, I am yet to understand why you treat men the way you do. You bring men to your house, they sleep with you, the next day you throw them out like common thieves.
No. They don't sleep with me. I sleep with them. And then I dump them the next morning. Exactly the way they do to innocent girls.
What do you gain? What do you gain doing all these things? If you don't like men, avoid them.
You don't tell me what to do with men. They like treating girls like trash. As long as I'm concerned, moving forward, a good number of them are going to receive same treatment from me.
What do you gain doing all this? What do you gain? Maureen, do you realize it's unhealthy to allow a lot of men into your privacy? Why not just pick one man and stick to that man?
It's work time. It's too early for this discussion.
Oh, so I'm the one jobless. Eh? So I'm jobless. I'm talking to you. You're telling me it's work time. So I don't have work to do. Me, I've said my own. Treating men like trash. I don't understand. What's going on with you?
Call me, Nelson.
He's not yet at work, ma.
He's what?
He's not yet at work, ma.
Is he sick? Has he gone berserk? Does he look like some shamburi? Where they have to send his ancient ancestors to the ocean to be chilling with the sharks, does it? If he does love his job, tell him that I said he should be in my office even before I get there.
Yes, ma'am.
Rubbish. And what in the Fredericks of Hollywood is happening here? No, what in the jury of the peers are you doing in my office one day?
Good morning, ma.
What is good about it? Why are you in my office by this time? That's the question.
Sorry, I ran into traffic while coming, ma.
And how is that supposed to be my ancient business? Have you lost it? How dare you keep your lanky smelling self, your decomposed elemented self in my office by this time?
I'm sorry, ma.
Will you leave this place?
Ma, I'm almost done, ma.
You are almost what? Mr. Man, you cannot be done. You are fired. If I repeat myself again, I will fling you to the ocean to be chilling with the sharks and the octopus. Speak out!
I'm sorry, ma. Ma, please.
Get your fucking self out of this place.
Don't me, ma.
How can she hate men so much? And this thing is getting out of hands. Is she broken? Ay. Why there's so much hatred? Is there something behind it? Unfaded memories of heartbreak.
Monday, what happened?
They don't sack me.
Why?
Babe, what's going on? I saw Monday very moody.
He has been sacked. I don't just know what is wrong with this woman. I don't know. I'm confused.
Oh, they don't sack him. I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised at all. I pity him anyway.
I'm not surprised. Are you expecting him to be sacked before?
Now, T, you go reach everybody.
Anyway, she asked about you.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Let me go and collect my own sack letter anyway.
You know that's not going to happen. Never.
You have been suspended for 2 weeks.
Oh, wow. Okay.
And your salary will be paid halfway this month.
Really? It's okay.
That's all for now. You can get out.
Okay. Thank you very much. And may God bless you. Wow. Wow.
I say make I tell you say they don't pursue Monday. Eh? Make you for help and beg madam. You know say to get work na problem now.
I just got a 2-week suspension.
Okay. You? Why now?
I don't know. You know, the management of the company has changed. So you expect something like that.
Okay. Now I will go pack my bag, they go. Make her
No. You don't do that. You can't go if you're not being suspended, okay? You don't do that.
Oh God, the thing be say, if she go feel suspect person like you, now be say, my own no be suspension, my own firing.
It's well.
Eh?
Have a nice day. Open the gate for me.
Okay, sir.
My darling husband. Hey, my God. Are you still angry with me?
I am not angry with you. Neither am I angry with anybody. I just blame myself for everything that is happening. I blame myself.
My husband, I thought we were already over this issue. Why are you still feeling this way? Look, I brought something you might like. In fact, something you should like. See. This is the solution to our problems. The woman that gave it to me said you should shake it very well and take it all at once. And boom, our problems are solved.
This is a concussion from all these roadside people who don't even have any medical experience.
No, she's not a roadside woman. Not at all. This lady offers treatment to people with this kind of issues.
This kind of medicines have side effects. It is harder. Okay.
It has solved many families' issues now. I cannot give you something that will kill you, Bim. All you need to do is to just shake it. Shake it very well and take it. Please. Or are you trying to tell me that you like our condition? You like what is happening? Do you like what is happening to you? I know you don't. Please now. My love. Come on. Shake it. You see, that shows the originality. It's natural. My husband, drink it. This will solve all our problems.
Are you sure?
I cannot give you what will kill you. I said drink and you're smelling it.
Oh. Smells very awful.
Forget the smell. Let's look at the result it will give us. Go ahead. No, she said you should. What is it? She said you should finish that.
We'll start.
Finish it.
We'll go step by step. Bring the cover.
Listen, let me tell you.
No.
Obim,
give me the cover. I will not.
She said if you finish it, you will be able to act. In fact, you're going to be active all day, all night. Wouldn't you want to be?
My love, go again. And don't spit it out. Please.
Oh, God. Was that my stomach?
My husband, can't you see? It has started working already.
Take. Hold it.
Drink more.
Hold it.
Drink more. You're going to defecate everything out.
Oluchi.
My husband, come on.
Stop. Oluchi, you want to kill me, please. If anything happens to me, tell my family that you have killed me.
I cannot kill you.
You want to
This
kill me,
is for
Oluchi?
us.
I won't. Oh, let me go to the toilet. My stomach. I need a toilet.
What is wrong with this man? Simple concussion, take it. You said no. What would you want me to? What exactly is wrong with this man? Eh? No matter what I do, it's not enough. This is what other men that have this same problem take now. My husband.
Oh.
Why are you sweating? Eh?
Finally, you have poisoned me. Eh? So you meant it when you said you were going to kill me, eh?
What? My husband.
What did I just drink? What did you give me to drink?
It's
the concussion. I think you have to come and sit so you finish it. Come.
Wait. It's coming.
It's
Wait,
the
it is coming. Wait. Oh.
Bia? Chukunonso! You have to come out and take this thing, oh. Come out and take it because my efforts will not go in vain. What is even wrong with you? I am here trying my best. Yet you keep everything I do, you continue to water it. Come and take this thing, oh. Come and take it. Ha!
Dad, please, what is wrong with Ifnanya? Why is she sacking all her male staff? What have they done to her?
Did she sack anyone else lately?
Yes, Dad. She sacked Justin for no tangible reason. She also sacked Monday, who has served this company for 11 years. Dad, I was even thinking of promoting him or increasing his salary before I was transferred to Onitsha branch. Dad, that guy might just be a cleaner, but that guy has contributed a lot in this company.
So, what was her reason for sacking Monday?
Dad, can you imagine? He was just a few minutes late. No query, no warning, no consideration. Straight sack. Dad, is that the way to run a company?
Why would your sister not want to change?
Dad, she has to change. Yes. Before she will totally destroy this company. You need to do something about it, Dad. Dad, could you believe that she suspended Nelson for 2 weeks.
What? Nelson can never go wrong. Nelson is the smartest young man I ever met in my years of service. Oh.
Dad, Sonia is becoming unbecoming. You need to do something about this before she will wreck this company.
That girl is pushing me to the wall. I just don't want to do this. But she's pushing me.
That is very obvious that my sister Ifnanya hates men so much. But whatever she's having with men, Dad, she shouldn't bring it to our company. This is business. For crying out loud. This is business.
Did I make a mistake?
Oh.
What is it?
Ebuka.
Huh?
My wife has finally poisoned me.
Huh? Eh?
Were you not there when she was telling me she's going to kill me? Finally, she has poisoned me. Oh.
Yeah, Oluchukwu. How did we get to this? What is poisoning? Why poisoning?
Ebuka, I swear by the gods, I did not poison my husband. And I can never poison my husband.
Will you shut?
Ewo. What is that Itebin's sound that I'm hearing?
That is what I am telling you. Shit. Real shit. If... Wait. I have to go inside there.
Ebuka, your friend is trying me. Your friend is trying me. When he's done pretending.
What is that sound of Itebin's that I'm hearing? How did we get to Itebin's sound?
You asked me to look for solution, right?
Yes, no.
I went to the market. I saw a woman selling this. I remembered, okay, me and my husband were battling something.
Okay.
Let me buy this. I bought it. Followed her instructions. My husband refused to take it. Look at where he stopped. He's supposed to finish this whole bottle. Please, tell him to come back and finish this medication. Else, all hell will let me.
Oluchukwu, you of all people should know that all this concoction, it can make somebody's stomach sound like Itebin's.
How am I supposed to know? I am a desperate woman, desperately looking for help. How in God's name am I supposed to know?
Look at the color of this. It can make your stomach sound like Itebin's.
Chukwuebuka, tell your friend to come out and finish this medicine. Else, all hell will let loose.
With the little one that you said he take, the stomach is sounding like Itebin's.
The instruction is that he should finish this.
The stomach will scatter. It will sound like Itemaimai.
You are getting on my nerves, so you are getting on my nerves. When you are done with whatever nonsense you're doing in there, come out and take this. Else, I will set this entire house ablaze. You don't even know who you married.
Shai.
Good morning, Daddy.
Good morning, Sonia, come.
What's that?
I want you to realize that Nelson is irreplaceable. He's intelligent, he's hardworking, and above all, he's efficient. I don't think you can possibly do without him.
Father, I'm sorry to burst your bubble, but I'm going to comfortably run the company without that urchin of yours called Nelson. Don't tell me this is why you called me back.
Sonia, whatever you have against the male gender should be put aside when it comes to business, especially the business of this company. I increased his salary because I saw potentials in him. And such a person should be treated well so he can help grow the company for us.
Father, I don't know why you're always doing this. Why are you always making it look like I'm doing something wrong in the company? Do I have to, breastfeed everyone in that company just for me to be in their good book? Who gives a damn about their feelings?
Your action is very, very unprofessional. Yes. And in every company, some staff are untouchable.
Father, enough. Seriously, at this point, I am done with this shenanigans. What is going on? No, why are you even telling me all this? For the past 1 year, Father, you people have not been able to get the amount of customers that I've gotten for this company. Father, over 30% profit and income. More than the company ever had. You did not notice it. I have made it for you. Yet you don't see anything good in me. Why does it have to be all about Nelson? Why? Listen, if you're not comfortable with the way I'm running your company, I could just resign. Probably Nelson will take over from me. What's all this? You just spoiled my mood this morning and you know I'm going to work. I'm just going to this work because of one reason. If not, I would have just handed over. Don't keep spoiling my day every time because of some damn Nelson.
Hi dear.
Yes, hi. What can I do for you?
Don't you remember me?
Obviously, Brian, I do remember you. The question was, how can we help you?
I don't get. Is this how you welcome your old-time friend? Have you forgotten how we used to be in the past?
Brian, the last time I checked, this is not some chalot where the harbor harlots. No. This is a business premise where official meetings and duties are being carried out. And I asked you amicably, what can we do for you? You don't expect me to leave business and start having some formality shit with you. No, honey, we don't do that shit here. So please, if you have something to tell me, go straight to the point and I'll just sort it out.
Why are you being hostile towards me? Well, anyway, it's fine. I just came to say hi to you.
Hi. Is that all?
Yeah.
Please use the door.
Something is going on. It may be wounds from the past or something else. Or something must be wrong somewhere. The hate is something else. She's like a wounded lion. Her hatred for man is something.
Mama. Good morning, Mama.
No. What is left here? I don't like you waking up this early. You need to rest.
Mama, I just want to ease the stress for you.
No.
Ma.
Hey. Look at. I don't like it. I don't want people to say I'm maltreating you. No. Huh? After sweeping, just go and rest. You know, go.
No, Mama, I've already fetched water. I've already put the fire in the kitchen, so now I'm cooking.
You've gone to fetch water?
Yes.
You've entered the kitchen this early morning?
Yes.
Yes. Hey! Now. Oh! God bless you. Oh? God bless you. Thank you so much. But after this, go and rest.
Mama, see, I put food in the fire. Mama, let me go and check it before we burn. You want to take.
See how God has blessed me with this child. Obiajulu, your greatness will spread like wildfire. for bringing happiness into my heart at this age of my life. Your life will be as smooth as the journey of the waters.
Michael, my man!
Brian!
Michael, my man! I'm so happy to see you, my bro.
Brian!
My brother.
It's been a long time.
My brother, it's been years, bro. I'm so happy to see you, bro. How have you been now?
Same here, I'm so happy to see you. You know you refuse to come back.
My brother, there is nowhere like home now. You can see I am back now, and I'm here to stay for good, my guy. Michael! Man, I'm so happy to see you, my brother. You're looking all fresh up, oh.
Now, look at you now, Yankee boy.
Oh, my
so,
brother.
I don't know, what's your plan now? Let's get to hang out and catch up for old time's sake now.
Why, sure,
I missed you, my man.
I don't have anything I'm doing now. Let's go and catch for my brother. Michael, my man. My man. Oh, I'm so happy to see you, bro.
Same here.
Yeah, now, let's go now.
No problem. Let's go.
Nelson. Sir. I heard that my daughter suspended you from the company.
Yes, sir. So I see she's been sacking people ever she got into the office.
I am sorry about that. I want to transfer you to our HR branch for a bigger responsibility.
Wow. Wow. So that's so interesting. And I really appreciate that. But I'm so sorry, sir. I've already gotten another job in Enugu. And the salary I'm receiving there is far more better.
Nelson, why did you go get another job without informing me?
So I see I've been passing through a lot under Miss Ifunanya. And before I was suspended, I was already looking for another job in another company because I can't just condone what was happening there.
Mercy, no. You should have told me. You should have told me before leaving my company.
I'm sorry about that, sir.
You have been our great asset. You should have told me no.
Sorry, sir.
Bad guy. Mama, I know you must be married with kids by now.
Married, K. My brother, I'm not always lucky with all these young women. Omo, the last guy I went to see nearly broke my head.
What did you do now? What happened?
Omo, I learned she's always hostile to men. I can't even explain it. Rumors like that's just a bad character.
What is going on these days now, eh? Why are women so hostile to men? Eh? Is that the new trend?
But I don't know.
And moreover, I saw Tony's sister. You know Tony, right?
Ifunanya?
Yes, Ifunanya now.
What happened with Ifunanya?
My brother, if you saw what that girl did to me, that girl humiliated me. Just because I went to visit her in her office.
My brother, that girl is possessed with a whole lot of evil spirits. Not be one, no. The spirits, they long die. She nearly killed me and my uncle just because I went to ask for her hand in marriage. Just that.
Was she the one you're talking about?
Yes, now my brother, and the same person we talk of.
What is happening now? What is happening to that girl? Is she alright? Wow.
My brother, I leave that one. Right now, I found a very good girl I want to settle down with. God-fearing, sweet, succulent girl.
Yes. Are you sure this one is reasonable? You know what is going on with these girls these
My
days?
brother, I don't suffer for women, and so by this time I don't get experience.
Anyway, there are still good girls out there, Sha. We are the ones just meeting these crazy girls. They are just pulling their anger on us.
My brother, I think.
How is everything now? My man, I'm so happy to see you.
Same here. Look at you, looking all fresh. And
My brother, I'm so happy to be back.
Same here. Man.
Hey!
We're here to clear our debts.
Clear the debts? You have not patronized us for over a week now. Why?
We can't keep up with the new conduct of your management. We have to shift to other companies. Now that Mr. Nelson is no longer working with you people.
Madam Lucy, Mr. Nelson is on a temporal leave. He will be back soon.
A temporary leave, you said? Alright, there's no problem. He'll call us when he returns.
We are here to serve you better. We have a new product you will trust, believe me.
You don't need to convince me. There are other companies with better products. But I think your company lacks a very good relationship with its top customers. Tell your management to enhance their relationship with their top customers. It makes it better. It makes it different.
Madam Lucio, believe me, we are going to serve you people better now. It's a promise. Okay? Believe me. I'm giving you my words.
Can we go on with the clearance, please?
You mean I should?
Yeah, you should. We want to clear our debts. You don't want us to clear our debts?
Okay. It's fine.
Please bring yourself in. What did you just say?
Good afternoon.
You said what? Are you crazy?
No.
What's hi, Mama? Are we mates?
Good afternoon.
Drop it there. Open it up here. What's going on here? Why are our customers paying their debts without new orders? Why didn't we get new orders?
Ma, our customers are complaining.
Why?
I think maybe they no longer see Mr. Nelson here.
Are you crazy? What does Mr. Nelson have to do with my father's company, for goodness sake? I mean, of what use are you guys? Why am I paying you people if you cannot make use of your dollar selves?
Ma, Mr. Nelson has been in this company for years. Your father trusted him because he's really good.
No, it's the guts for me. You really have so much temerity, the panache. So you stand here to teach me or tell me things about Nelson? You're very stupid. As a matter of fact, you're so stupidly stupid. Come on, will you take your bloated fat self out of my office?
I'm sorry.
Stinker. Decomposed greenish film. Fool.
Good day, Mom. You summoned me.
Well, yes, I did. I want you to resume work. Yes, as a matter of fact, I've forgiven
And you want me to resume work?
Yes.
Wow. It's a nice one, but unfortunately, it can't be possible. I've gotten a job in another place.
you. I beg your pardon?
Yeah.
But I never fired you. I only gave you suspension.
Suspension, sir, can't I know Fife? Ma'am, I find out that you want to run a woman company, and I've checked it, so I noticed that I cannot meet up with the terms and conditions of this company anymore. I'm sorry about that.
You know, you're a very stupid man. And now I understand why you want to wallow in poverty for the rest of your life, just like your great-grandfather, your father, and your ancestors. This is nothing but a jokery-pokery attitude, and you know that. And at this junction, I want you to get your tacky self out of my office. Get out!
Madam, if I brief Oyibo, I'll brief a Taki Waki. English cannot help you at this junction. I've gotten a job in another place. As simple as that. Thank you.
There's something wrong somewhere. Hey. How can she hate men so much? And next.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, God.
Thank you
Happy
so
birthday,
much.
my dear friend.
Wow. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday.
Oh, bro, thank you so much.
You're welcome. I love you so much.
Thank you, Daddy.
How can we forget?
Thank you,
You
Mom.
are my only daughter. I love, cherish, and adore you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.